some dirt in his bucket. He's now going to disconnect. Take the Kelly off. And now he'll use the horsepower, lift the thing out of the bucket, out of the hole. And he'll bring it up out of the hole. Most important command in driving a team is whoa. Gotta get that stop at the right time. Now he's gonna let it down a little bit. Now Brendan's gotta tug on this machine. He pulls the bucket around and out the side. He'll undo his modern punch cord that's holding it closed. Undo the bucket. And that fellow today was telling me his brother used to have to chip away at the clay. It wasn't as easy as that, as Brendan's showing us. It doesn't drop out. You had to chip away at the clay to get the clay out of the bucket and drop it on the ground. So now he'll wrap it up again. He's going to pull it up with the pulley. And then he gets the right amount. He'll unhook it. And drop the bucket down into the hole again. And start the process all over again. A lot of work. When you look at that machine, you sure wonder how on earth does that great work. This was used, I think, up until 20 to 30, somewhere around there, when horses disappeared. Several of these people have come across and seen this piece of equipment, and they told me that some of their neighbors had gone and hooked an engine up to it and took this old mechanical piece of equipment and they would have put an engine on it and actually new modern machines would have come around. Yeah. You stick with Clancy. Clancy's a beautiful old horse. They call it the Denver Giant for a reason.